This is what happens in Michigan when we get a foot of snow. Just do it.
Hold on, wait for Brian to.
It's like, that's a good like foot. Do it.
I'm going over there.
Alright, I got you. Are you cold? Hey Nick, are you cold? Bah!
I'm too strong! I'm too strong! Just keep rolling! I'm gonna try doing a cartwheel.
We need to get the shovels back out.
Where'd my hat go?
We need to get the shovels back out.
Where's my hat?
I don't know.
Hold on, here. I'm just gonna do. Watch this. We gotta shovel that walk again. Oh my gosh.
Cold?
Oh, I'm freezing. I gotta shovel the walk.